Okay, so now there's one question that I get asked a lot by my juniors, and they repeatedly keep saying and asking me, ki, so like, how do you approach final year? Like, what all books to study, and um, will we be able to cover portions and all? So just to pile up some answers and solutions for all of them, I've made this video. I'm making this video. So the first thing, which all books I have referred and which all books I recommend. Okay, so we'll start with pediatrics. Okay, in pediatrics, there's just one standard textbook, OP Guide. You follow it from starting till the end, and along with your DAMS, Marrow, or Prep Ladder notes, all are good. You follow it and you read it along with it. Practice some MCQs, and you should be good to go. Okay, there are certain concepts which you can look up online, like short stature, constitutional delay in growth, then some congenital adrenal hyperplasia, the diabetic regimes, yeah, like the insulin regimes that you have, the split mixed regimen, etc. So on those you need to work out a bit, and there were some things, especially CVS was very hard. Yeah, like you have a lot of congenital heart diseases. So how do you approach that? It's very simple. Uh, First of all, you need to have your basics of CVS completely accurate, okay, and to the point. They should be well cemented. How do you do that? Your physiology should be strong, and your pathology needs to be strong. So what I did was I listened to Dr. Najib's videos, all of them. Okay, on CVS he has a whole lot of videos. I listened to them at least one or two or three on a daily basis. Made notes, used to keep revising them, and they actually build up your concepts. Okay, once your concepts are built up, then what I did was I went on to Prep Ladder. Okay, in Prep Ladder I had Deepak Murvasa's app, so I used that. I picked up the congenital heart diseases well apart, and I finished it through. Yeah, and similarly, then I went on to pediatrics. You could use your DAM. I had DAMS notes. You could use your Prep or Marrow and finish off the congenital heart disease part from it. Once you have done all that, you come back to the textbook, give it a single read. Okay, obviously you'll still find it difficult. Then what you need to do is you need to highlight the points you have not understood. Now you need to pick up the big Nelsons, the one with 3 volumes. In one of those 3 volumes, you'll be having the CVS part, and then you need to refer the same congenital heart disease that you're having a problem with from there. So what I did was it took me around 1.5 months to finish off the congenital heart disease part itself, because I used to read one or two congenital heart diseases on a daily basis. It was like 1 or 2 pages of Bhai, and then that only I used to refer from Nelson simultaneously. So I used to finish it then and there itself. I used to understand it to the core along with all its management, and that completely seal off. Similarly, any doubts that you have in OP Guy, you could always go to Nelson, and mostly it's going to get clear from Nelson itself. And for the practicals part of pediatrics, Aruchami Lakshmanaswamy is one of the best books. Yeah, and to supplement X-rays and all, we have one or two other authors' books. I'll just let you know.